Okay, so what are these little videos going to be about? Well, this is my main project that I've been working on. This is what I've been working towards. All the last 2 years of trying to learn C++ and OpenGL is basically to do with being able to make my own game engine. Now, I've already tried to make one, which was well, it worked. It did things, but it wasn't usable or anything like that. This one's going to be a little bit more. It's going to be put together a little bit better. I'm going to do this a little bit posher sort of thing. We have camera. We can load. These are just meshes. They're not models. They've got collision detection on them, so we can set their collision detection. We take off the collision on that, we can walk into the middle of it. So we've got that done. We've got selection where we can select them and they're highlighted when they're selected. We can add a floor in. We'll be able to add terrain. That's going to be the next goal. There's collision on the floor, so we can walk forward onto the floor and then drop down onto the. If I press the right key, you can see it's got collision on the floor. We can add a plane object in as well. Very basic at the moment. The reason for that is because there's been an awful lot of behind the scenes stuff been going on that makes this. I'm not going to go through the code on this. The code is going to be available. It's on GitHub, so if you want to have a look at it, but I'm not going to go through the code because I'm just not going to. This is just a little video showing the progress of this games engine. You can select an item and delete it, add it back in. It'll come in a different place this time, probably underneath the structure. Nope, don't know where that one went. It's probably inside one of the other. It's probably inside the other. Oh no, it's up there, up there with the thing, because they come in random places at the moment to make it. So there we go. That's what I've got so far. This is taken me. It hasn't taken me 2 years to get. It's taken me 2 years to be able to do this, so it all works a little bit better than what my original one did. Eventually we'll be able to turn these into health packs, and whether they're dangerous, we'll be able to have objects that can have points collected on them. We can adjust the positions of the objects and where they are. We can set that down to 1 on there. Then that reveals the plane object that we drew on there. Eventually we're going to be able to load OBJ objects is the next thing I'm going to work on, so we'll be able to load models on there, and eventually this will have a button at the top here somewhere where you will click. The interface will vanish. It'll still be in this window because I've decided I'm going to do it inside this editor window, and then you'll be able to move around the scene without there'll be other like graphics that'll display the score and health and all that sort of stuff on it. It's a very rudimentary. It's going to be a very rudimentary engine. But anyhow, enough waffling. These are just little videos to show the progress of it. Thanks for watching if you did.